everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have acrylic sign holders. They're 8.5 by 11, and we're going to give these things a try and see how they look. So we'll open up the box here. This is me opening it. So it says acrylic sign holder, 8.5 by 11 inches. The information there. We got some styrofoam. Let me get rid of that. And I'll show you guys the devices here. So it comes with, looks like a bunch of them here. So let me open it up. Looks like there's going to be probably 1, 2, 3, like maybe 6. Okay. Sorry as I do this. So it comes with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 6 of them. I will just show you one of them and show you what it does and how it works. So let me move this out of the way. So this is it here. So you can see it's very foggy at the moment because it needs to have the protective film removed. And then it should be nice and clear. And it is. So now it's nice and clear with a little bit of plastic on it. Okay. And same with the base. Here, this is the base. It looks kind of choppy here because we need to peel off the plastic. Okay, so there's the plastic on the front. It does have some on the bottom, but I think I might leave it there so it'll just be a little bit more protective. But then what you do is you take your, whatever it is, your 8.5 by 11 piece of Ashley's art. That's what I have here, and I will put it into my folder here, into the device. So there, fairly lined up, still some plastic on it. And then you see the little edges are kind of like beveled up there, and those will kind of fit into the slot on this. And then, man, I got plastic everywhere. And then there we go. And so now we have a nice little sign holder. You see you can have double-sided, so you could have something facing the other way. If I was to put this sign here or something on there, I guess I could have it display their sign. But you can see you put them both under the plastic. But look how nice it is. And it's got the black, so it looks kind of classy. I could put that as display somewhere up on here. I actually have it in display in the other room. So that's where it's going to go back. So how cool is that? It looks really nice. And you get 6 of them. So if you're having an event or looks like they said for weddings or anything, you can just do whatever. And you can totally reuse them. You just slide them out, put something new in there. So I like these acrylic sign holders. Thumbs up.